Hello, I'm going to teach you today how to use VideoScribe by Sparkle. So first thing you want to do is come to the website, VideoScribe, and try their free trial. It's a week-long free trial, and after you have it all downloaded and everything, you'll have it on your computer. You can open up. Again, it's made by Sparkle, really young company, but just took off because it's such a fun product. So we're going to log in. When you log in, you're going to see just this right here. So I've created these other documents for fun. You're going to see this example scribe. Now this page will put your scribes in order by alphabetical or newest or oldest. It has some things up here I'm going to show you. Help options, settings, kind of what you're looking for there, where you can import a scribe. Say someone shares one with you, you can import it here. Now this is all great, but this is the best button on the page, create a new scribe. Along the top, this is your canvas page. This page is probably where you're going to sit most of the time. On the top you have the toolbars. On the bottom this will be your timeline for your video, with a place where you can add new images, write text, make a graph. This also will move you around on your page. This goes back to our first projects page we were on, and this is our save button. This is where we can find music to go with our scribe. This is where we can make our voice record over. This will change the background color of our scribe. And with the free trial, when we actually do it, it'll be a watermarked that says VideoScribe across the back. So if you go pro, you'll be able to see the beautiful background. This can change your hand, whether you want no hand. It also has a lot of different options for people. And so we can change it. I'm just going to leave it. And this will play your scribe from the start. This will play it from where you are, where you select to be. And this is downloads. These are important parts right here. Let's go ahead and make something. I'm going to be doing this with you. I have no idea what we'll make, but we've got these images. I've used these here before. And then they have lots of images. I don't know what to do. Let's just do musical instruments. We like musical instruments in our house, and they've got just a couple options, not too many. Oh, I don't know. Let's go with the drums. Got the drums on here. You know what? Let's make this a party. Let's find some people to dance. So we need some people. Who looks like they're dancing? This kid looks like he's going to have a lot of fun. Where is he? There he is. Oh yeah, he's going to have some fun. All right. What about if we had him call out something? Let's say he's going to call out something. Put call out box over here. I can change the size. Oh, moving the whole page around. Sorry, I'm trying to get that. There we go. Change that size there. I want to put some text in that call out. Let's just tell him to say rock on. Okay, there we go. I'm going to move it on there. Alright, I'm just going to resize or whatever. You can change fonts. You can add new fonts. With the Pro, there are a lot of more options. Let's have his dad show up and be super disappointed. How about this one? This one looks pretty. Oh no, he looks like he's having fun. Well, he can party with him. And there we go. So let's say that I don't like the order that this is going to draw, because it's going to draw from here to here. And say I want it to draw rock on first, just the words. I can have it move over here. And it's actually covered up by the call out right now. But we can change it, and we can have the kid first and the drums second. Okay, we need to add some music to this. Oh, let me show you another element here. We can change the properties of the people. We can change the strokes, the color, just to an outline of a kid, or the grayscale, just an outline for now. The transparency, it can rotate him, make him go a little crooked. How long is it going to take to draw him? This is going to take 1 second. And there's going to be a pause, and the transition will take 1 second as well. That's fine with me for right now. I like it when they write a little bit faster, so I'm going to have that go to 0.5 seconds. And let's just make the dad, let's just make him match. I think we had outline, so let's just do that. All right, so let's add some music. Now if you go here to the music that they offer, They have lots of options down here. If it has 1 dot, it's slow tempo, and if it has 3, it's pretty good, it's fast. So let's just go with that one. Okay, there we go. I tested it out, threw it in there. Check, I want it. Now we're going to watch this from the beginning. Another thing I could do is I could also do a voiceover where what I'll do if I clicked here, it would play it for me while I recorded it. And I'm not ready to do that right now. But let's just push play on what we got. Yeah, that worked out pretty good. Now what we want to do is save it to a party. That's going to save it on my folder over here where we were before, where we started off, into all scribes. I can also create a new folder that it's going to be in if I want to too. I'm going to go ahead and save that. I'm going to come back up here again. You can also export it to your computer, anywhere on your computer. It's going to save as a .scribe document. I'm just going to cancel that for now. You can also save it on My Sparkle Cloud, which means you can use it on any device you have and continue to work on it that has VideoScribe on it. Okay, so this is important too. We're going to go download this. These two first options are available for people who have gone pro. We're going to stick with these. We've got PowerPoint, Facebook, or we can publish it on YouTube. I'm just going to publish on YouTube. I can put the title, description, and tags there. Now we're just going to wait for it to pull up. Here I am. And I want to allow that. There we go. It's going to start rendering in a second. Okay, it's going to render my scribe. And that's it. So it'll just show up on my YouTube, and that'll be great. Anyhow, I hope you have fun with this. It's been really fun for me to play around with it, and I think it's a great resource for teaching, for training, for pushing your business, whatever you want to do. Thanks.